In this video, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT to Zapier. Start by signing into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create, then select Zap. Next, click the trigger step and choose the app that will start your automation. For this example, select Google Forms and choose New Form Response as the trigger. Connect your Google account and test the trigger. After that, click the Action step and search for ChatGPT. Select ChatGPT by OpenAI as the Action app, then connect your OpenAI account by entering your API key. Now choose an action such as conversation or analyze text, depending on your workflow. In the prompt field, enter a prompt like this. Summarize the following customer feedback in 3 sentences and identify the main issue, Google Forms response. Map the form response into the prompt so ChatGPT receives the submitted text automatically. Next, click Test step to verify that ChatGPT returns a response. Review the generated output and make any adjustments to your prompt if needed. Finally, click Publish to turn on your Zap. From now on, every new Google Forms submission will automatically be sent to ChatGPT for processing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect ChatGPT to Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.